Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza box, only way. Start with a clear workspace and gather your corrugated sheet, ruler, pencil, craft knife, and tape. Measure a 12-inch square base and mark fold lines precisely. Score folds gently to avoid tearing and cut tabs for assembly. Keep tools handy and work slowly to maintain straight edges and clean corners for a professional result. Now we focus on cutting and scoring for a clean pizza box. Measure twice and mark cut and fold lines with a ruler and pencil to avoid mistakes. Use a craft knife to cut tabs and vents and score fold lines lightly so the board folds crisply without tearing. Keep your cuts straight and consistent and remove loose fibers for a snug fit when assembling the box later. Next, assemble and finish the pizza box so it supports a hot pie. Fold along scored lines and fit tabs into slots, aligning corners carefully. Reinforce joints with strong tape across seams and corners to prevent collapse under weight. Check the lid clearance by placing a slice inside and adjust if it sticks. Add a few small ventilation holes to release steam and keep the.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.